Jamaica. I can't see shit. I don't know how people get around this island without a flashlight. But we're gonna take you guys. We're doing a dinner tonight, and then we're gonna call it a night. Oh, there's a lot of bugs out here, guys.
The Erborian family, thanks you for being here. We're here to launch our matte primer. It's called Extra Matte. So enjoy yourselves. We hope you guys have the best time here. We really do thank you so much for coming. Here's to a really good next 2.5 days.
Hell yeah.
Thank you guys for coming out. That's a wrap on day one. Katy ate all the chocolate that she brought for the whole trip. We are.
I didn't eat all of it.
Well, because I forced you to stop. You're probably gonna eat it when I go to sleep.
Probably. I'm gonna drug you right now. Go to sleep. Did it work?
Yeah.
Go to sleep. Let's see your hair. Wow.
Is that different than normal?
That's so like 90s looking. I just finished up an episode of Grey's Anatomy and now I'm feeling very stressed.
Really?
Like in a good way, but
Someone died?
a lot of people died, John. This is Grey's, okay? I'm gonna start doing my makeup. I already put my brows on. Kind of, like halfway there. And I'm gonna use the Erborian. This is their new Extra Matte, Ultra Mattifying Priming Shine Control. And I was just thinking how this is actually like the most humid place I've ever been. They brought us here to test this out, basically. So I'm gonna be testing it out today. I really am just gonna be focusing it in here, 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 here. A little bit on the chin, but like especially right here in this area is where I get the most oily. So I'm gonna be using this primer, but first I'm gonna put on sunscreen. Dude, I had 1 glass of wine last night and I was like, not feeling so good. Now I'm gonna go with the Extra Matte Primer. Very soft. And now I'm gonna press it in. I gotta fill these pores. And we are gonna put this to the test. We just pulled up to lunch and I believe we're at the top of a mountain because it was a trek getting up here. I really want to go check out the view. I go see. Oh my god, it looks like a little... What does it look like? A little what? Like a little sour candy. Yeah. It's not gonna taste like that though.
You could pretend it's a sour candy for sure.
Steve, are you gonna take it or are you just gonna film it?
Oh, come on.
You gotta take one.
You kind of skip.
Oh boy. Now I gotta do it, I guess.
I can't with fucking Steve, man.
I thought you said what they say about him isn't true. Is it true, John?
I think everything they say is true, and John's about to retract that statement.
I think John tries to like think about the better side.
I try to, Steve. John tries to
Sometimes you make it hard.
You keep digging yourself a deeper ditch, bro. I got a big shovel.
So stupid. Somebody take him. We have a Steve for sale.
Steve for sale.
He's in the free section of the
Link in description.
It's a donation.
He's in the donation section.
No one takes
Craigslist donation
If
section.
you can haul them, you can keep them.
You gonna
First
take
come,
the, you gonna
first
take the
serve.
rest of that shot?
Are you gonna take the rest of your shot?
Nah.
We're not Santa Barbara anymore. This
We're
is the
not.
time.
Hey, I'm a woman of a certain age, okay? Karen, did you throw yours down over there? Shit.
I was the first one to do it.
I took one shot. I
Personally.
don't look back. I throw it back and that's it.
Karen, why you still got a full shot in front of you then?
That's not a shot. That's what I just said. You want to compete?
Are you guys?
Oh.
Shots. I got you on a double shot.
Yes. All it takes is a little competition. Steve will do anything.
Yeah.
Hey!
Does he
That's my
actually?
favorite thing
Does he
ever.
actually need competition?
Karen and Steve.
It's the shot off.
My bet's on Karen, I'm just saying.
My bet is also on Karen.
My last name's Gonzalez for me.
That ponytail's giving her superpowers right now.
Yeah, she's snatched back.
They were just like,
Damn, she hella threw that back
Dang.
with a smile on her
Wow, I
face.
don't know.
That was close. Again.
Steve's holding it back. I see a tear.
No.
I see a tear coming down.
Why is there more? Look in your glass. What is that? That was your What is
cup.
that?
That's your cup,
What
Steve.
is that?
Should we play back?
Actually, hold on, wait. My lipstick is on it right here.
Give him the other shot.
Yeah. He has to take the other one now.
Hit you with the receipts.
No.
She will hit you with the receipts.
Dang.
Yeah,
Oh!
think you met your match.
Sebastian, help.
Just made it.
We have a thing that we say, ring the bottle.
No.
You ever seen it before?
No.
Oh, that was good.
Not in Jamaica.
Yes, it is.
That was all part of
They're planning it. For sure.
Wow.
Relationship
Oh
goals.
my god.
Relationship goals.
She knew she didn't want to take it.
Who does
He
that?
doesn't want me to take it.
Come on, really, John?
I take care of
Wow,
her.
John, you're gonna knock over a shot like that? Wow.
And it wasn't even like a little bit. It was a whole shot.
Yeah.
We can all give a little bit of our shot to
Yeah, come on, Katy, give it here. We'll all give it a little. Pass it down.
Knock over your shot.
She thought it was over.
He doesn't want me to get that.
She thought it was over, but we're all gonna give a splash.
Community shot.
We're here.
This is what they call the scrap.
You thought you won, John, but you didn't.
That's kind of nasty.
Good idea.
No one is safe.
I'm very sweaty. A little sweaty.
We all said we were going back to the car, and yet they mentioned roadies, so I think everybody's waiting for a roadie now.
Yeah.
But we can't have beer, so
You do road tequila?
they're out of tequila. That's why I came back to the car. I said, all right, bye.
Guess we're done here.
Yeah, I said, my work is done here. I'm going to go.
There was
They're moving so slow. You guys are walking so slow.
Steve.
John, I'm in Jamaica.
Steve.
John, I'm in Jamaica.
Did you bring shoes with you?
I did.
Where are they?
On the hill.
You left them. Do you want to stop or right here?
No, we don't need them, John. I'm in Jamaica.
I've never seen you get ready and not have to touch up makeup here. What's going on?
Normally I would redo my makeup, especially after being out wearing sunglasses.
You got ready in like 10 minutes.
I know. I threw up my hair, curled a little tendril. Careful. Look at this staircase, you guys. I'm gonna try and get a picture right here. Oh, it's so pretty, isn't it?
If we get a picture, it'll be right here.
Look at his outfit. I gotta get you with the light. He put this together himself, you guys.
No, you bought it for me.
I was gonna give you the cred.
All these pieces are purchased by Katy.
Yeah. He still looks so cute though. Glasses?
These are Katy's glasses.
Amazon. Look at the sunset. You can't see? There we go. Okay, let's do this.
So, verdict?
We got it.
Did we
Check
get
out
a
our
pic-
lighting setup.
This is our lighting setup, guys. Sometimes if shit doesn't go your way, you need to just set up a little flashlight. What this is this is a flashlight that I put into a tree, and it was lighting Katy.
You gotta get creative, okay?
Yeah, and go over to Katy's Instagram and fucking go hammer on that photo.
Now we gotta go get your pick, honey.
Let's,
Come on.
oh shit.
We gotta pick there and we gotta pick here. I feel really great.
Go put a
job.
flashlight emoji on Katy's photo.
We're setting up John's photo. I think this one here.
Did I just walk into the photo?
Or, I mean,
I like this vibe.
you want the very front one?
Yeah, like I own the joint.
And he's got a cigar.
Spliff, they call it.
You just look so cute right now. I can't deal.
Where should I sit? Which one would you sit?
Do you have a good side or they're both your good side?
I don't know. I feel like I haven't established a side.
I think this side you'll probably be more comfortable. I'm gonna have you pull out from the table a little bit more.
Sitting, the vibe.
We got a shot right here, John. What are you talking about?
I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this. We both got picks today. That happened.
Did I nail your picks? Tell me.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have the internet going nuts with these picks, guys.
I feel like I got real Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas angles on you.
Yes. I've never seen that movie, but I agree with you.
Johnny Depp?
True.
Any Johnny Depp mood is a good mood, you know?
You didn't know I had that, did you?
I did. I thought you only had a shoulder shake. He's got a hip shake.
Can we do
and
them
a
both?
shoulder shake.
Those hips don't lie, Steve. What are you wearing? Give us the deets.
I'm wearing Windsor Store. Only available in select cities nationwide
Or online.
or online.
Link in description.
Talk about a long night trip, no. Don't ever.
I'm pretty sure this is fucking rigged.
I just keep beating you.
This table is just like all leveled to go into my fucking goal.
No, John.
She doesn't even do anything. She's just doing this. and it just goes in.
This is pure skill.
No, this is bullshit is what this
Pure
is.
skill.
So I came up to the top of the ship because of peer pressure. It is so high up here. It's shakier up here. Fucking scared as shit. But the view's really cool. Check out the view.
Not so bad, right?
Not so bad.
And you got this right here.
I got this, and I got this giant piece right here.
Hey, John, you need some help?
I'm stuck.
I'll help you.
Help me out of here, Steve.
Oh, John, are you all right?
John's ready to go.
Oh, boy. I might go first.
Scary up here, man. Shit.
Oh, shit.
We just got home, and look what my mom got us.
Crayons, you got me in trouble. This is payback for texting.
We just got home. I can't see the time. What is it, like 10, 11 o'clock?
400 degrees.
400 degrees. But today is mine and John's 5-year wedding anniversary.
5 magical years.
Yes. And look what my mom made. She made a keto cheesecake. Wow. You have no idea how much I love my mom's cheesecake. I'm very excited to try this right now. There's a layer of some type of sour cream mixture and then a layer of cinnamon in between. It's the only cheesecake that I've ever liked. I hate like Cheesecake Factory cheesecake is the actual worst. And this, normally it's a graham cracker crust, but she made a pecan, right? You could shut down the keto community with this, I think.
Keto truck.
Keto truck. Keto cheesecake truck. Coming soon.
Much. Are you guys pretending to be us? Is that what's happening here?
Pop the hill.
I like your Crocs with socks. Thank you. Aren't you upset? Like, I feel like...
Arch your back.
Oh
my god.
See, it's not as easy as it looks.
Pew, 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 pew. My neck is so hard it hurts.
She's just serving family-sized portions of sleigh right now.
Yeah, you're hot.
Des, are you hot? Do you need my tank top?
Oh my goodness, John.
Give a guy one spray tan, he goes fucking crazy. He starts wanting to take his
He wants to
shirt
take his
off.
clothes off.
You almost hit that fucking face, dude.
It's a little humid here.
Oh, he's feeling it. Feeling it, honey?
What are you guys drinking in the room?
Sorry for this situation. I don't know what this is.
Suspicious passenger.
This disturbance back here.